Hello, this is Douglas Robinson. I am a solutions consultant with Beyond 20, and in this video we will be discussing how to send a text or SMS message within Cherwell using a cell phone carrier's email to SMS gateway. So really we'll be sending out an email and it'll be delivered as an SMS message to a mobile phone. How we do this in Cherwell depends on the carrier that a customer has, and it's all built out for you in the out-of-the-box configuration of Cherwell. All of the data that you need is going to be included in the out-of-the-box configuration. So if you look in the table management area of Cherwell, you're going to open up a mobile carrier table. And all this table has is a name of a carrier, a prefix of one or more numbers that needed to be prefixed to a number before you send a message to it, and then the domain that you would be sending your emails to. So a great example of this, or a very easy example of this, would be Verizon Wireless. If you wanted to send a message to a customer's mobile phone at Verizon Wireless, then what you would do is you would send an email. I'm not going to build out an email template here because it's fairly simple. But you'd send an email and the to address would be the mobile phone number at that domain. So if my phone number is 815-555-7448 and I have Verizon Wireless as a cell phone carrier, then my domain here is at vtext.com. And from there you can enter in a subject as well as body content. Now your body content is going to need to be plain text. Any rich text you have is very likely not going to be delivered or won't be delivered correctly. So you'll want this email notification that's going to be delivered to a mobile device to be plain text only. Something that you can do to ensure that it's going to be delivered as plain text is to click this little T icon, the drop down here, select plain text. That'll prevent you from entering in any kind of rich text into this body of this email. And you can do this when you're editing an email template as well. So all that we needed to do here to recap is to enter in our phone number and then the mobile carrier's domain. If you are building out some functionality in your administrator tool and you want to automate this, you simply need to get the domain associated with a customer's carrier. And conveniently, there is functionality for this in the out-of-the-box setup. So if we look at a customer's either their form in the default view or the form under the portal default view, we'll see that there should be a mobile carrier field that shows up just below their phone number field. And this mobile carrier is validated from the mobile carrier lookup table. And something that's not shown on this form but is recorded on the customer's record is going to be the mobile carrier domain. So all of the information that you need is actually going to be stored on the customer's profile. So if you wanted to send an email to a customer's phone number or to a customer's phone as an SMS message, all that you would need to do, I'm going to build it one step from the context of an incident to show how easy this is. All you would need to do is reference the customer's phone number and the customer's mobile domain. So from an incident, if I want to send an email, I'll drag on a send an email action. Now again, we'll want to make sure that we're only including plain text content, because a mobile phone receiving an SMS, it's not going to evaluate rich text. So our to address here from the context of an incident is going to be our customer's mobile phone. If they have their mobile phone number in their phone field, and you know they'll always have that mobile number in their phone field, you might be able to do that as well, but it's recommended that you go with the mobile field. And then you'll type in an @ symbol, because we are now going to enter in the domain, and then you'll fill in the mobile carrier domain. And that's it. Of course, this assumes that your customer record has their mobile carrier selected and their mobile phone number entered in. But if you have that data, their mobile phone number and the carrier that phone number is associated with, you can very easily send a SMS message to a customer. That is all. If you'd like to see other videos like this one, or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to check out our YouTube channel and subscribe at youtube.com/beyond20llc, and you may leave comments in the comments section below.